The Imperial War Museum is a renowned British museum that focuses on documenting the history of conflict involving Britain and the Commonwealth since World War I. The main IWM branch is located in London, with additional sites across the United Kingdom. Established in 1917 during World War I, the museum's mission is to educate the public about the impact of war on people and societies. The IWM's extensive collection includes military vehicles, weapons, uniforms, photographs, artworks, and personal items that provide insight into wartime experiences. The museum exhibits cover a wide range of conflicts, including both world wars, the Cold War, and recent conflicts in Iraq and Afghanistan. The IWM also hosts temporary exhibitions, events, and educational programs to engage visitors of all ages. Overall, the Imperial War Museum serves as a poignant reminder of the human cost of war and the enduring impact it has on individuals and communities worldwide. It is a significant institution for preserving and sharing the history and stories of those who have experienced war firsthand.
With some from this deluge of mortar shells and what have you.
About 2/3 time